What's going on, guys? It's Cam for Boosted Daily here. Today we're going to the Barnes & Noble meet. This is something we have every Saturday out in Vestal, New York. If you guys ever want to come see us, stay tuned and we'll get back with you in a minute.
Alright guys, we're here. Great cars out today, great muscle cars. We got everything. We got tuners, we got trucks, we got Jeeps, we got regular cars, we got everything. So stay tuned, check it out.
Fuck that car!
Yeah, the front's not.
That's why I got insurance.
What you gonna do? Bad boys, bad boys.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Boosted Daily. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And any feedback you have, whether it be positive or negative, is very appreciated. Once again, thank you so much for the support. I'm Devin with Boosted Daily. Stay motivated, stay boosted.